Kesha. Kesha. Laura Prepon.
Laura Prepon.
Zooey Deschanel.
Zooey Deschanel.
Olivia Wilde.
Olivia Wilde.
Shakira.
Or Shakira, the best Shakira songs 81 of 602, the best female vocalists ever 13 of 198, the greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years.
Lady Gaga.
More Lady Gaga, the best Lady Gaga songs of all time 185 of 269, the most trustworthy celebrities in the world 21 of 316, the greatest singers of the past 30 years.
Sofia Vergara.
More Sofia Vergara 127 of 268, the most beautiful women of 2021, ranked 309 of 843, the best actresses in film history 49 of 199 famous women you'd want to have a beer with.
Adele.
More Adele fun facts you didn't know about Adele 8 of 739, the best singers of all time 2 of 213, the best current female singers.
Tyra Banks.
Or Tyra Banks 774 of 843, the best actresses in film history 144 of 225, the greatest black actresses of all time 62 of 79, the best reality show judges.
Gadot.
More Gal Gadot 10 plus Gal Gadot quotes guaranteed to make you fall in love with her, one of 268, the most beautiful women of 2021, ranked 48 of 50 celebrities we're sick of in 2021.
Jennifer Lopez.
Or Jennifer Lopez, the best Jennifer Lopez songs 589 of 739, the best singers of all time 14 of 213, the best current female singers.
Gwyneth Paltrow.
More Gwyneth Paltrow, the 20 plus best Gwyneth Paltrow movies of all time, ranked 165 of 222, the best actresses working today 47 of 258, best Marvel movie actors ever.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.